to my channel. Here I'm back with a new video and a new face art look. So this is basically a dripping eyeshadow look, like not here but here. So let's get started in the video and let's see how I created this look. Okay, so let's get started. I have applied my moisturizer first only, and that was the Biotin moisturizer. Here is the name somewhere. And now I'm going for my primer. That's the Maybelline Master Prime Primer for oily skin. After my primer, I'll go for my corrector. That's the illegal corrector. I'm using my corrector because I have dark circles and dark pigmentations around my lips and my eyes. So a corrector for me is a must. I'm using corrector because I don't want that grayness to show. For you, corrector is not a must. It's an optional thing. So I am using it. It's not necessary to use this. It's an optional one. Okay, so my face looks quite funny. Now I'm going for my concealer. That's the Age Remaining Concealer in the shade Caramel. Okay, so this is what my concealer looks like. I'm done with my concealer. Now we are going for a foundation. That's a Fit Me foundation in the shade 320. So yes. Okay, so this is my foundation as well, done as well. So now coming for the eyes part, I'm going to create a nude base color. Like go with berry eyes, that is kind of a nudish color. Just for the base for my eyeliner. Base is done. It's a very nude color. I don't think that you can see that color as well. So now we're going to create a perfect wing eyeliner, like a perfect wing, so that I'll connect my drops with that wing eyeliner. So let's get started with the wing eyeliner, and I'm going to use a Lakme eyeliner to create my wing eyeliner. Finally gave me a very good wing eyeliner. So yes, now we're going to draw the droplets. Looks like. I know it is looking very weird. Now we'll just shape our drip. So now we need to give it a dripping shape. So I'm going to use a earbud and a makeup cleaner. And now I'm just going to give cuts so it will show that it's dripping. Shape them, and here we need to put a one more cut. So this is what dripping looks like, a small drip, not a big drip. So now we need to give an outline. So I'm going to give my outline with my eyeliner. That's a Lakme eyeliner, the waterproof one, and I'm going to give a outline with this. And I swear this is going to be so scary, like shit. Hope for the best. This is what it looks like. Drip eyeshadow. It's not that eyeshadow, but it's a drip face art. Like, I tried and it was not easy. I must say that it was not at all easy. So yes. Now we'll just put highlighter on our corners, like here. So just highlight our makeup. Inner corners, and again I'm going to go with some highlighter, the Maybelline Master Room highlighter, the 100 Molten Gold. It's open, so excuse. Okay, so now coming for our lipstick part, I'm going to go with two lipsticks. One is the Lakme Absolute lipstick in the shade, it's in the shade Red Smoke, the matte one, and I'm going to go with the metallic lip color just to top it over it, and that's the Technique metallic lipstick, and this is the Lakme liquid lipstick in the shade Red Smoke. Top my lipstick with the Technique metallic lip color, that's in the shade Spiced Pumpkin. I'm using this for the first time and it is quite metallic. Yes, it is quite a kind of. Guys, this is what the final look is. This is the second time I'm trying any face art. Like, I never do this. I'm just on a sober makeup tutorial, but now I'm up with face art thing. Like, yes. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. Bye.